Hey there, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we're going to be talking about the common symptoms that indicate your vehicle's brake pads are wearing down. Maintaining the health of your braking system is crucial for your safety and the overall performance of your car, so it's important to be aware of these warning signs. As your brake pads wear over time, you may start to notice some changes in the way your brakes feel and perform. Things like squeaking noises, reduced braking effectiveness, and vibrations in the pedal can all be indicators that it's time to have your brake pads inspected and potentially replaced. In this video, we'll go through the top 10 symptoms of worn brake pads, explaining what they mean and why they're important. We'll also touch on the consequences of ignoring these issues and the importance of addressing them promptly. Whether you're a seasoned car owner or just starting to learn about vehicle maintenance, this video will provide you with the knowledge you need to stay on top of your brake pad condition and keep your car running safely and reliably. So sit back, grab a pen and paper, and let's dive in. Squeaking or squealing noises. As the brake pads wear, the metal backing plate can come into contact with the brake rotor, causing a high-pitched squeaking or squealing sound. This is often one of the first signs that the pads are nearing the end of their lifespan. Grinding or scraping sounds. If the brake pads wear down to the point where the metal backing plate is exposed, you may hear a grinding or scraping noise when applying the brakes. This is a clear sign that the pads need to be replaced immediately to avoid further damage to the brake components. Reduced braking effectiveness. As the brake pads wear down, you may notice that it takes longer to stop the vehicle or that the brakes feel spongy or less responsive. This is a result of the reduced friction material available to slow the vehicle. Vibration or pulsing in the brake pedal. Excessively worn brake pads can cause the brake pedal to vibrate or pulse when you apply the brakes. This can be a sign of uneven pad wear or warped brake rotors. Visible pad material. In some cases, you may be able to visually inspect the brake pads through the wheel spokes and see that the pad material is getting thin. Many vehicles have wear indicators that protrude from the pads, providing a visual cue that replacement is needed. Brake pad indicator light. Some vehicles are equipped with a brake pad wear sensor that illuminates a warning light on the dashboard when the pads need to be replaced. Longer stopping distances. As the brake pads wear down, the distance required to bring the vehicle to a complete stop will gradually increase. This is a crucial safety concern, as longer stopping distances can increase the risk of collisions, especially in emergency situations. Pulling or veering during braking. Uneven brake pad wear can cause the vehicle to pull to one side when the brakes are applied. This can make the vehicle difficult to control and is a sign that the pads may need to be replaced or the brakes need to be serviced. Increased pedal travel. If you notice that you have to press the brake pedal further down to achieve the same braking effect, it could be an indication that the brake pads are wearing thin. This increased pedal travel is a result of the pads having less friction material available. Burning smell. When the brake pads are severely worn, the metal backing plate can come into direct contact with the brake rotor, causing friction and heat buildup. This can result in a burning or scorching smell from the brakes. Brake dust buildup. As the brake pads wear, they produce more brake dust, which can accumulate on the wheels and calipers. Excessive brake dust may be a sign that the pads need to be replaced soon. It's important to address any of these symptoms promptly to ensure the safety and reliability of your vehicle's braking system. Ignoring worn brake pads can lead to more serious and costly repairs, such as the need to replace the brake rotors or calipers. Regular brake inspections and preventative maintenance are crucial for maintaining optimal braking performance and vehicle safety. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more helpful automotive tips and tutorials. Until next time, drive safely.